If you want to connect your Motorola Moto G56 to a car, then we need to set up Android Auto. To do so, we can open Settings, then over here we're gonna go to Connected Devices, and over here choose Connection Preferences. At the bottom of this list, you should be able to find Android Auto. In this case, I need to update Android Auto, so I'm just gonna press this button over here, and we need to, of course, wait for the update to be done. Once it is updated, we can just simply go back and reopen Android Auto. Now, over here, in this case, we can just press Connect a Vehicle button in order to find the first instructions, where we are asked to connect our phone to our car by using the USB cable. If your car supports wireless Android Auto connections, then you can choose this option over here below. There we go. And you have additional instructions that you need to follow. In addition to that, if you want to connect using Bluetooth, then over here we have this option as well. So you can tap on this text and then choose Pair a Vehicle. In order to jump to Bluetooth, over here you need to choose Pair New Device in order to find your car in the list of available devices. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.